we made ClipsPal so much easy to use. Let me show you how it works. So I will do a quick demo. My goal is to show you how you can create a video in just, 5 to 10 minutes for the first time. And I will do it completely from scratch. So yeah, first of all, we'll go to characters. I mean, we kind of assume you already have a project, edit. I have protein tracker, and we'll just work with that. So the first step is to add new character. And for this project, we will add, a character and we'll pick a style. So here I have my favorite style, which is medical 3D render. We'll pick this one. And I will say that it's basically a gym bro skeleton in the gym. I mean, something simple. We don't have any reference image. That's it. I just click generate and wait for maybe 1 minute. All right, our character is generated. We have this amazing skeleton. We have two options. I personally think I don't quite like these things, so I think we will go with the primary image. It's good. It's assigned to our protein tracker. The only thing we need to do is to pick a voice. We click browse voices, and we have some recommended voice. We'll go with recommended voice. We'll pick a male one. So let's listen to Adam.
Business is only as successful as its people are happy.
I mean, that sounds good to me. We'll pick Adam and save settings. So the next step is to basically make a decision. If you know what video you want to create, you just go to videos. If you don't know, you can go to schedule. I'm going to show you schedule, sorry, ideas, and you can add, new series. So for example, here we can say, I'm interested in pro versus beginner. We'll add this series and you can generate ideas for this series. So for example, we're interested in cinematic action. We have our character and we'll generate 20 ideas. So what will it will do? It will generate 20 ideas for this project, for this character inside this topic, pro versus beginner, and it will score every idea from 1 to 10, so you can, easily see which ideas are better, and you can save these ideas in one click to the taskboard. I mean, personally, I know what video I want to create, but this is super good approach to get these ideas when you just not sure what you want to create, and you have personalization around duration, video type, direction of the video. This is a perfect place to start the brainstorming session. All right, we have our ideas, and as you can see, we got 20 ideas. Some of them are better, some of them are worse, and we can just save the best ideas to the backlog and go to the task board that we have here. So this is idea that we saved, but I will just add idea manual. So we have our character selected, our person tracker. We will go cinematic action. If you're not sure which one, there is a very simple pop-up that shows difference. And we're gonna have a short video and we'll have an idea what what will happen to your body if you eat 200 of protein every day for the next 3 months. So yeah, I think this is interesting. First of all, it's a big goal, something that people probably don't even think about, 200 grams. And this is like educational slash comedic. And I mean, I will not give any tips about description. I could say, for example, show, months 1, months 2, month 3, but let's just keep it this way. We have our character. Let's click generate video. And here's what you can do here. So my go-to advice is to always pick all planning and generate all planning first, because it will generate the plan, the script, the scenes, and like the images for the scenes, but it will stop before the videos, and you will have a perfect moment to basically review what's going on in the video, change images without burning credit. All right, we have our plan ready. So what do we have? So first we have a scene plan. Every scene gets a script, two image variation, and animation prompt on the kind of backend. So what we can look as obviously script and images. I like these images. Script sounds good to me. We have a change of angle, close up. It's good. We have a different angle, different angle. Let's take a look at this one. I think this one is fine. I like this better than this or not. I mean, no, let's actually save this one. More different angle, and I think it's kind of more similar to this one, just red color. And we have final one. They kind of same. So let's first of all save. The script is fine. I think we have week 1, months 1, months 2, month 3. This is how I would personally do it. This is fine. If I were to change something, so for example, I can say, I want to refine scripts. Fine, I can do it easily. If I want to refine image, I can pick one and say, okay, let's actually put him on the sofa. And like this is week 1. He's, chilling. I can just do it and two variations. But honestly, right now I'm good. And next step is just to run all the stuff. I can do two things. I can run all content. It will generate all clips, all audio, but it will pause before the assembly, or I can run full pipeline. Honestly, this is what I will do because I'm pretty confident in this video. So let's run it and we'll take a look in a few minutes. All right, and the video is done. Took some time, but I didn't do a single thing. So here is the final video. It's right here. We have 35 seconds. We have background music, subtitles already burned in, everything looking good.
200
We can play it. Not sure if we can do this in terms of
grams of
internet speed, but I mean, let we can try the first clip.
200 grams of protein. 3 months. Here's what actually happens.
So we have all clips ready. This one
Month
is
1.
really good. I like
Recovery's
that.
faster.
It has
Less
like a
DOMs.
camera
Fibers rebuilding.
fork. This is really nice. And let's take a look at
Month
this
3.
one.
Full transformation. But most people eating 200 grams are still leaving one thing on the table. Consistency.
Yeah, so looks really good. I mean, obviously the character is not doing a lot of things, but that's the design of the video. We don't need it to be running because the video is more about the protein. So yeah, we have a little bit more
Protein. 3 months. Here's what actually happens.
yeah, so looks really nice. We have background music, and it's already scheduled for tomorrow at 7 p.m. If I want to, publish it now, I can do. I can reschedule, and I can download full video or all clips. It's all done. Everything that it took me is to generate a character, and as you could see, I just picked the style and described the basic target audience of my project. Then I just picked an idea that I had. You can generate it in ideas tab, and then I just had a moment where I double checked that I like the images and scenes that it generated. Then I just click full pipeline and it's done. This is a video you can publish. You can check if it's going organically. You can buy ads if it's doing well, and it's just almost on autopilot, doing marketing for you. This is ClipsPal. You can try it today. Starts for free, and if you like the idea, you can get trial to get this first video.